Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable app icon badges for Snapchat miscellaneous notifications so you never miss anything important again. If you've noticed that Snapchat notifications aren't showing up as badges on your app icon, especially for those less obvious alerts, don't worry. The fix is simple, and it only takes a minute. Let's walk through it step by step. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your device controls live, so once you're in, scroll down until you find apps and tap on it. Next, look through your app list and find Snapchat. Tap on it to open the app settings. Now, inside the Snapchat settings, tap on Notifications. This section controls everything related to how Snapchat alerts you. From here, you'll want to tap on Notification Categories. This is where things get a bit more detailed, allowing you to manage specific types of notifications instead of all of them at once. Scroll down until you see Miscellaneous and tap on it. These are usually background or less prominent alerts that still matter, like certain updates or activity notifications. Once you're inside the miscellaneous settings, look for the option labeled App Icon Badges. If it's turned off, go ahead and toggle it on. And that's it.